begin to bloom. In my hands a spark appears, like a dream that wandered here. Softly glowing, warm and bright, little wonders wake tonight. Piece by piece, a world I see, waiting there to come alive with me. Light by light, the magic grows, like a secret only dreamers know. Take my hand and you will see how beautiful a little dream can be. Ooh, let the starlight lead the way. Ooh, watch the shadows fade away. From forgotten little things, we can give our dreams their wings. Glow, little dream, glow tonight. Fill our tiny world with light. Make it, love it, set it free. Come and make some magic with me. Ooh, stay a while. Let the little lantern shine. Ooh, dream with me. Come and make some magic with me. Come and make some magic with me. Underneath the silver moon, tiny stars begin to bloom. In my hands a spark appears, like a dream that wandered here. Softly glowing, warm and bright, little wonders wake tonight. Piece by piece, a world I see, waiting there to come alive with me. Light by light, the magic grows, like a secret only dreamers know. Take my hand and you will see how beautiful a little dream can be. Ooh, let the starlight lead the way. Ooh, watch the shadows fade away. From forgotten little things, we can give our dreams their wings. Glow, little dream, glow tonight. Fill our tiny world with light. Make it, love it, set it free. Come and make some magic with me. Ooh, stay a while. Let the little lantern shine. Ooh, dream with me. Come and make some magic with me. Come and make some magic with me. Hush now, evening paints the sky. Tiny lanterns flicker high. One by one, the windows glow. There's a secret world below. Little doors and winding ways, golden lights through silver haze. From forgotten little things, tonight a tiny village sings. One little light, then two, then three. Watch them wake so quietly. Every window, every tree little thought into a fantasy. And when the final light appears, all the magic gathers near. Hold your breath and you will see a tiny world of possibility. Glow, little village, glow tonight. Fill the dark with golden light. Dream it, make it, set it free. Come and make some magic with me. The lanterns shine, your dream and mine. Come and make some magic with me. Hush now, evening paints the sky. Tiny lanterns flicker high. One by one the windows glow. There's a secret world below. Little doors and winding ways, golden lights through silver haze. From forgotten little things tonight, a tiny village sings. One little light, then two, then three. Watch them wake so quietly. Every window, every tree holds a little mystery. Ooh, can you hear the forest sing? Ooh, can you feel the magic begin? Stars are dancing overhead, fairy dust along the path we tread. Light the lanterns, let them glow. Wake the dreams we used to know. Build a world from what we see. Turn a little thought into a fantasy. And when the final light appears, all the magic gathers near. Hold your breath and you will see a tiny world of possibility. Glow, little village, glow tonight. Fill the dark with golden light. Dream it, make it, set it free. Come and make some magic with me. The lanterns shine, your dream and mine. Come and make some magic with me. Come and make some magic with me. Underneath the silver moon, tiny stars begin to bloom. In my hands a spark appears, like a dream that wandered here. Softly glowing, warm and bright, little wonders wake tonight. Piece by piece, a world I see, waiting there to come alive with me. Light by light, the magic grows, like a secret only dreamers know. Take my hand and you will see how beautiful a little dream can be. Ooh, let the starlight lead the way. Ooh, watch the shadows fade away. From forgotten little things, we can give our dreams their wings. Glow, with me. Come and make some magic with me. Come and make some magic with me. Underneath the silver moon, tiny stars begin to bloom. In my hands a spark appears, like a dream that wandered here. Softly glowing, warm and bright, little wonders wake tonight. Piece by piece a world I see, waiting there to come alive with me. It grows like a secret only dreamers know. Take my hand and you will see how beautiful a little dream can be. Ooh, let the starlight lead the way. Ooh, watch the shadows fade away. From forgotten little things, we can give our dreams their wings. Glow, little dream, glow tonight. Fill our tiny world with light. Make it, love it, set it free. Come and make some magic with me. Ooh, stay a while. Let the little lantern shine. Ooh, dream with me. Come and make some magic with me. Come and make some magic with me. Raindrops dancing on the glass, little silver moments pass. Through the window, warm and low, tiny golden lanterns glow. Down the path beneath the trees, fairy lights sway in the breeze. Little rooftops, mossy green, like the sweetest dream I've seen. Pitter-patter, soft and slow, watch the little village glow. Every raindrop seems to be whispering a tiny melody. Ooh, stay inside with me tonight, by the little firelight, while the sleepy forest dreams. Magic dances in the streams. Rain keeps falling, lanterns shine. Your little world is safe with mine. Take my hand and you will see how cozy little dreams can be. One small window, warm and bright, glowing softly through the night. Something simple in my hands slowly turns to wonderland. Glow, little lantern through the rain, bring our tiny dreams again. Dream it, make it, set it free. Come and make some magic with me. Hear the rain, softly call my name. Let the whole world disappear. Our little fairy home is here. Come and make some magic with me. Come and make some magic with me. Raindrops dancing on the glass, little silver moments pass. Through the window, glow. Down the path beneath the trees, fairy lights sway in the breeze. Little rooftops, mossy green, like the sweetest dream I've seen. Pitter-patter, soft and slow, watch the little village glow. Every raindrop seems to be whispering